Hello and welcome to Pendulum Divining and Dowsing with Lyman Holton. Today we're going to be using this beautiful pendulum. Jade is helpful in emotional healing. Its soothing energy relieves irritability and wipes away negativity. Jade is associated with the heart chakra, as it is useful in treating stress and blood circulation disorders. It is also associated with the sign of Virgo. It is a stone of love, power, and excellence. Now, jade doesn't only come in this dark green, it also comes all in shades, different colors, all the way down to a white jade. And there we have it. Beautiful stone it is. Now, before we get talking about what I want to talk about today, which is exercise, I want to ask a question to this pendulum about the pendulum. Jade is supposed to be expensive. I only paid about $10 for this on Amazon, so I'm a little skeptical if it's real. So let's see. Is the pendulum I'm using now made of real jade? Natural jade. Is it made of a natural jade? Okay, it's going clockwise, so that means no. No, it is not, which is pretty much what I suspected. It looks very authentic though, and you can test it another way by taking a sharp object like the point of a knife or scissors and see if you can scratch it. If it scratches, it isn't jade. If it doesn't scratch, it is jade. But I'm one of those people, when I try to do something, I may get it fixed, I may do it right, but then I'll go one little iota further and break it. Strip the threads on a bolt, bend the nail, that sort of thing. And I'd probably end up cracking this. So we'll just go with the thought that, hey, it's probably not real jade. But that's okay, because as we know, it doesn't matter what it's made out of, because it's a pendulum, all right? Now, let's get on with the exercise. It's supposed to be good for you, and it tones your muscles, makes your heart nice and strong, good cardiovascular, lung capacity increases, clarity of thought, aerobic exercise, huh? We'll go with question number 1. To fulfill my current health needs, how many times a week is it necessary for me to engage in aerobic exercise? More than once a week? Okay, counterclockwise. Counterclockwise for me means yes. So yes, I should engage in aerobic exercise more than once a week. So we continue. More than twice a week. Okay, again, it's telling us yes, more than once a week. All right, now, how about more than 4 times a week? More than 4 times a week. Well, it's telling me yes, I should more than 4 times a week. Well, we'll kick it up. To fulfill my current health needs, how many times a week is it necessary for me to engage in aerobic exercise? More than 5 times a week? Okay, we have a no. Clockwise is no. So that means more than 4, not more than 5, so probably 5. Excuse me. So probably 5. And that would mean, well, you just take off 2 days a week from your aerobic exercise. Okay? Could be different for you. You'd have to ask your pendulum. Okay, question number 2. What is the optimal amount of time for me to exercise in a session? More than 20 minutes? Okay, it's telling me no, not more than 20 minutes. Well, I would have thought it had been more than that. So, for me, it's saying do not exceed 20 minutes, for example, on the treadmill. And considering how I'm an old man, maybe that's the best idea, right? Or 20 minutes of riding a bicycle, not to exceed 20 minutes of swimming. And that's assuming it's an exercise, aerobic, so you're getting your heart rate up there, and might be 30, 40 minutes for you. Okay, let's see. Let's go to question number 3. All things considered, what is the optimal aerobic exercise for my health needs? Walking? Okay, it says no, not walking. Running. Okay, it answers quickly again. No, not running. Swimming. Okay, it says yes, swimming. Okay, and we'll try one more. Bicycling. No, not bicycling. Okay, in this case, I would say swimming makes the most sense for me. Normally what I do is walk. It's rather inconvenient to go swimming, but really swimming would be, I would think, probably the best thing for me. It's just that I can't get there to do it. So, because I have some problems with my knees. If I don't do much walking at all, I feel really good. If I do much walking, sure, I feel exercised, but the next day my knees really, really bother me. So running is really out of the question. Bicycling, I can't bend my knees enough to pedal the bike. So that's the way it goes. I got a left knee that I had a lot of problems with years back in an accident. Okay, now these same questions, we could ask something like, taking my current health into account, Is it in my best interest to what? To exercise today? To exercise this week? To not exercise today? Many different things we could ask, right? So that's all I've got for today. We're trying to keep these videos short and sweet, so goodbye for now.